Since Afifi, the first customs clearance provider in Egypt, was founded in 1936 by Mr. Muhammad Afifi and 4 of his well-experienced employees, it has always been taking a leading role in the Egyptian logistics industry. Introduction and history. Afifi Group, with its more than 70 years of goodwill as a logistics solutions provider, consisting of 3 companies, each specialized in its field. Afifi Shipping and Clearing. Established in 1936 and specialized in imports and exports customs clearance at Cairo Airport and door delivery to all Egyptian governorates. Afifi Air Cargo. Established in 1989 and specialized in imports and exports, air cargo logistics and shipping, packing and projects handling, especially oil and gas, and major government projects. Afifi World Transport. Established in 1995 and becoming Panalpina's Egyptian agent, specialized in providing sea imports and exports, logistics solutions, shipping and custom clearance in all Egypt's seaports, warehousing, pickup and door delivery to all Egyptian governorates. Our vision is learning from the solid past, living and excelling the present, planning and transforming for the future supremacy. Our mission is to navigate successfully around obstacles, requiring the ability to tackle each challenge with creativity, experience, and expertise. Logistics business. Afifi Group Global Network. For more than 70 years, we have been in the logistics and transporting goods business. Using our expertise and through our agents global network Panalpina, covering more than 150 countries worldwide. Logistics service scope. Whether your company is a multinational or a small enterprise serving international markets, you can be sure that our team of cargo professionals will provide you with global services and local expertise, ensuring complete door-to-door transporting and smooth customs clearance at all times. Your shipment arrives at its destination on time, and your supply chain is continuously improved. Logistics solutions. For key accounts and major clients, we have a tailor-made service, where the client's demands turn into a real world of logistics flow. Products and services. As a brief for products and services, we cover a wide area for sea freight and air freight import and export forwarding, sea import and export cargo consolidation, air import and export cargo consolidation, warehousing and inventory control, domestic and worldwide distribution, customs clearance, trucking and inland transport, projects, oil and gas logistics, supply chain and logistics consultation, packaging, oil and gas. Our distinctive client list in oil and gas sector are unique and contain major projects. NEC Logistics NHK TV, Japan, Egypt, 2007-2008. Afifi World Transport and NEC Logistics were nominated to control all aspects of the logistics project of NHK Japanese TV channel, celebrating 50 years of the Cultural Cooperation Protocol signed between Egypt and Japan. For a period of 21 days, making a documentary program named The Old World Civilizations, the budget for this TV show is $8 million. Oil Frozen Core Sample, Field to Laboratory Integrated Logistics, 2006-2007. We have succeeded with the cooperation of our global agent Panalpina and Air France to ship an oil-frozen core sample from a field in Egypt to a laboratory in Houston, USA by air under a temperature of -25 degrees Celsius. Harley-Davidson Rally in Egypt, 2006-2007. We have been responsible, together with Panalpina France, to prepare and implement all necessary logistics for shipping the rally's Harley-Davidson motorcycles and all related equipment to and from Egypt before and after the rally for 2 consecutive seasons. As we have a list of many projects between 1997 and 2009, we will state them briefly. Membership. As an international worldwide class organization, we have many memberships in various reputable associations, institutes, and chambers. Our clients. We serve over 700 clients, among them multinational organizations, big regional and local organizations, factories, importers, exporters, and medium and small enterprises. Thank you for your attention.